this example, we first want to illustrate how we can rewrite the expression absolute value of x minus a without the absolute value brackets. First of all, we would note that the absolute value of x minus a is the same thing as saying the distance between the numbers x and a. So if x is a number somewhere to the right of a, then to the right we would say that the absolute value of x minus a is simply equal to itself. On the other hand, if x is some number to the left of a on the number line, then we're going to say that the absolute value of x minus a to the left will be exactly the same thing as the negative of the difference between x minus a, or negative x plus a. This always holds true, so we're going to use this property above to rewrite the expression below: absolute value of x plus 2 minus absolute value of x minus 1, given that x is between the numbers negative 1 and 0. We need to do three things. The first one is to indicate that for our first absolute value bracket, absolute value of x plus 2, we'll note that the absolute value of x plus 2 changes whenever x is either left or right of negative 2. We'll also note that the absolute value of x minus 1 changes to the left and right of x equals 1. The given value of x is somewhere on the interval between 0 and 1. That means that x is to the right of negative 2. And we know that to the right, if we take the absolute value of x plus 2, it will be exactly the same as x plus 2 itself. On the other hand, we know that x is to the left of positive 1, and in that case the absolute value of x minus 1 is the same thing as the negative of x minus 1, or negative x plus 1. So, replacing our statement above, if we take the absolute value of x plus 2 minus the absolute value of x minus 1, it will be the same thing as x plus 2 itself minus negative x plus 1. This is the same thing algebraically as x plus 2 plus x minus 1, and so the resulting expression looks like 2x plus 1. And we're done.